Well, change your clocks and change your smoke detector batteries. Local fire departments are using daylight savings to make sure your device is up and running. The Emerald Isle Fire Departments say it's important to change your batteries every daylight savings. According to the National Fire Protection Association, 3 of 5 home fire deaths were a result of no working smoke alarm present. Now, the Emerald Isle Fire Department calls the device life-saving.
We've had incidences right here recently where we've had a house fire and the detector alerted the occupants of the house. If not, if they wouldn't have had that, there's a chance it could have been a lot bigger fire by the time they realized it or not even got out.
If your smoke alarm makes a chirping sound, it's time to freshen up your batteries. The fire department says smoke detectors need to be changed every 10 years.